Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in this video I'll be showing you how to print something from Canva. Alright guys, so you are done designing your stuff, you're done designing your project. It could be anything, it could be an image you created, it could be a PDF, it could be any sort of design on your canvas. And you're wondering how you can, print it out. It's quite easy to get this done. All you need to do is make sure all the elements are set, make sure you've done your corrections and everything. Click on share at the top right corner of your screen. Click on download first. And then once you have selected download, some would prompt you to download it as a PNG, depending on the type of image or element within the canvas. Now click on the file type and select PDF print. Now you could use the crops and marks bleed, which is if you're trimming your design after printing. You could use flatten to convert the content of your design into a single image per page. It may increase the file size. And then you could also include notes. So when you're downloading, you could include notes that appear under the page thumbnail, and then you could match your reading according to the layers. So select if you are arranging layers in a specific reading order. And then for the color profile, it's set to RGB, but you can set it to CMYK, which is best for professional printing, which is a pro feature that you can actually use. But I'm just going to leave it on RGB as a default and then click on download. So once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up your file explorer on your computer. Let's just head into the file explorer from here. And the file explorer has opened up. So all you need to do here is once you've highlighted the PDF, go ahead and double tap on it to simply open it via a browser, which I have done here. Once you have, go ahead and now click on the print icon at the top right of your screen. It's going to be available in your browser. And then it's set to Microsoft Print to PDF, one copy. You could set it to portrait or you could set it to landscape. And then scroll through, then the colors, you could adjust them and then simply click on print. So your printer is now going to, take it in and print it out as a PDF for you, and then you can access it. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.